AI is changing the world forever. Let me show you how. Guess what? These awesome images are made by AI in 5 seconds. Shout out to Bing Image Creator and Microsoft Designer. We all have already seen the magic created by ChatGPT in text format. Now it's time for an image. You can simply type the text with the imagination and these tools will convert your imagination into image. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can make these masterpieces yourself. So now to get started with this tool, so just open your favorite browser and just search for bing.com/images/create and just click enter. So you just need to click on join and create. So you just have to sign in with your Microsoft account. So if you don't have one, so you can just simply create this one. So once you create and sign in with your Microsoft account, so you can just simply type the prompt whichever you want to create the image of. So let me just try something like a programmer coding on rainy day, and you can just say something like listening to music, and you can just add the prompt you want. So and just type something like having coffee, and you can just add more. So let me just click on join and create. So this will now create the image. So here you can see, so these are the images which have been just created with that prompt. So here you can see the programmer listening to your music in a rainy day having coffee. So let me just try another prompt, something like couple in a romantic dinner date in front of Mount Everest. And let me just click enter, so create. So here you can see, so this has created these images. So similarly, let me just try another tool as well, which I have mentioned before, which is Microsoft Designer. So it is still on the preview version. So let me just type Microsoft Designer and just go into this designer.microsoft.com. So here you can just click on get started for free, and you just need to again sign in with your Microsoft account. So once you sign in with your Microsoft account, so you can see you can find all these tools inside this Microsoft Designer. You can simply create the image, or you can also design the images. So now let me just simply try this image creator. So you can just click on generate, and let me just generate something like tiger taking selfie. So you can just imagine whatever you want. So with iPhone 15 in front of Eiffel Tower. So let me just click on generate. So you can see, so this has created the image here. So similarly, so let me just now use another tool inside this Microsoft Designer. So you can just design your image as well. So from here, so I will try to create the YouTube thumbnail. So let me just click on generate. So inside here, so we can add our own image. So let me just click on add media from my device, or you can just add from your mobile as well. So let me just choose one image from here. So let me just say something like create YouTube thumbnail for a video about AI's impact on the world. And let me just click on generate. So this will now generate the YouTube thumbnail for us. So you can see, so these are the thumbnail created by this tool. So you can see different options here. So you can just choose one of them, and you can simply add the thumbnail. So similarly, you can just create the Instagram post as well. So let me just remove this image. So let me just add another image, Messi, from here. So let me just create one Instagram post saying happy birthday to the legend. So let me just try something like create Instagram post with message happy birthday legend. So let me just click enter to generate. So here you can see, so these are the Instagram post, so which has created by this tool. So you can see this is how you can use these tools for creating the image. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.